Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2005 GMC Yukon. This GMC is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-tech V8 V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 91,909 miles. Unlock adventure with this rugged 2005 GMC Yukon. Spacious, reliable, and perfect for family trips or daily drives. Loaded with features and ready for new journeys. Don't miss this opportunity, drive home a legend today. This pre-owned Yukon comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, alloy wheels, power tailgate. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.